Hello dear student, I'm Dr. Chandrakala HD. Welcome to the video classes of programming language using C. Under the chapter Program Development Life Cycle, I'll be teaching you about algorithms to you in this video. An algorithm is a sequence of steps which are to be performed in order to solve a given problem. So, to solve a problem at hand, we first develop algorithm before we do the development of a program. So as per the program development life cycle, algorithm development is a step in the third phase, which is done before the coding process starts. Before we develop a program using any programming language, we first represent the solution for the given problem in simple and clear English by writing an algorithm. So an algorithm is a set of steps which are used to solve a particular problem. So this set of steps should be unambiguous and they should be clear to understand, and they should have a clear beginning and end. So only then we call it as an algorithm. So to solve any given problem, there are multiple ways. There are multiple methods to solve a given problem. Hence, there can be more than one algorithm to solve a single problem. Some of the features of a good algorithm are: an algorithm should be unambiguous. So unambiguous means without any confusions. So since you write an algorithm in simple English, you should write it in clear statements without any confusions. For each of the steps in the algorithm, there should be a clear input and output, and whatever you write in the algorithm should lead to one meaning. So multiple meanings will lead to ambiguity or confusions that has to be avoided. The second main feature of an algorithm is an algorithm should have zero or more well-defined inputs. So since we are writing an algorithm to solve a problem, naturally the algorithm should take an input and produce an output. So the algorithm should have zero or more well-defined inputs. Similarly, an algorithm should have one or more well-defined outputs, and these outputs should match the desired output from the program. The fourth important feature of a good algorithm is finiteness. An algorithm should be finite. That is, the algorithm should end or terminate after a finite number of steps. So finite andre enu countable anta. So on the certain number of steps execution ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ algorithm end ಆಗಬೇಕು, non stop ಆಗಿ work ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬಾರದು ಅಂತ. The next important feature, the fifth feature of algorithm is feasibility. Whatever algorithm you have represented or written should be executable feasibly with the available resources. So iro resource alli ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗೋ ತರ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಫೀಸಿಬಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಅಲ್ಗೋರಿದಮ್ ಫೀಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಗೋರಿದಮ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಗೋರಿದಮ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ one more feature of an algorithm. The algorithm should be independent of any programming language. So ನೀವು ಬರೆಯೋ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಸೊ what this means is the algorithm which you have written should be feasible to convert to a program of any programming language. ನೀವು algorithm ಆದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ it becomes a good algorithm. Okay, so these are the features of a good algorithm. So in this video you learned what is the meaning of algorithm, why it is required, and what are the features or characteristics of a algorithm. Thank you.